Welcome to week number 1. I'll go into a little bit more depth of what you should expect for this semester. Good morning, good afternoon, whenever you're viewing this. Welcome to week number 1. We'll spend a little bit of time, and there's a few more resources in this particular week so that we can get to know a little bit of the layout of the standard format. And I do welcome any feedback. If something doesn't work for you or if there's something you really like, please let me know so I can continue and adapt as we go through. I'll usually start this with a video introducing the concepts for the week and then have some videos within to try to give some more explanation. This is an asynchronous class. However, I do have optional office hours, which we'll speak about a little bit later. And so I'll typically have the objectives for the week and then a quick view of things to watch, read, or reference, and then some things to do. And so for this week, we have a couple of different activities in the introduction, building a service evaluation, and I have a link to the course Q&A discussion board where you can ask questions. I do want to highlight that this will be visible for all students. However, if you have a specific question that you'd like to share with me directly, you can always feel free to message me through the Canvas inbox. So let's take a peek right now at this building a service evaluation assignment that we'll have. And as we look at it, the assignment is there where I have listed a previous example of a service evaluation that was developed in another class. And this assignment is going to allow you to participate in developing our fall 2024 service evaluation. And so I have a video on why customer service matters, and then simply I'd like for you to share 2 of the most important criteria that you believe should be looked at when evaluating a service experience. So in this particular assignment, you're not evaluating any service that you've experienced. We'll get to that in a little bit. However, I do want to just know what are the 2 things most important. Simply put, if you're thinking about when you go to a restaurant, what are the 2 most important things that you look for to say, you know what, that was a great service experience. And so those are the 2 things that you would need to put in. And then I'll compile every student's 2 most important criteria and organize the themes, and then we'll have a service evaluation that we've developed together that I'll introduce next week so that we can start sharing stories of service experiences. So that's just one example of the assignment that we have for this week. And there is another assignment on introductions, and where you get to read a little bit more about me and hear a little bit more about me as we go. So I wish you a great week ahead. Should you have any questions at all, I will be posting an announcement with optional office hours should you wish to. Wishing you a great semester and look forward to learning with you.